Hey, it's Time66 account. Today I'm going to show you how to make a black assassin droid. Last time I was showing you how to make a Lego engine. That was last time. Okay, first of all, you have to start off with the pieces. Black droid legs, 2 droid arms. They're different. This one's like arm like straight. This one's like that. Droid body. This piece, small. Then green or any color you like. I like green. Then one of these pieces like hook and gun or weapon you like. Okay, start off with the legs. Put on the body. Stick the hands on. Okay, see, they're kind of different. The hands, this one and this one, they're different. See? Okay. Or you can make it the same. Now onto the head. Take the hook, piece, hook, put it on. Take your black piece and this one and connect it together like that. Then connect the black and this piece like that, so it looks like an assassin droid head. Put it on him, and your weapon or sniper or whatever you like for the weapon. I like to give him the sniper because it's the best for him. He's my favorite assassin droid. My only one. Yeah, write me some subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching. Next time I will show you how to make a whole reward or flame or whatever.